stop scrolling right now, because what I am about to tell you could literally reverse aging, restore your strength, and naturally boost your testosterone after 50. So if you care about your health, energy, and confidence, make sure you watch this till the end and subscribe to this channel for more science-backed fitness secrets. Many men believe that after 50, their body is doomed to decline, their muscles will shrink, their joints will hurt, and their hormones will crash. But the truth is far more powerful and hopeful, because modern research shows that your body can rebuild muscle, repair joints, and increase testosterone at any age if you stimulate it correctly. And today I will share 5 exercises that fix around 95% of common male body problems, like back pain, belly fat, low energy, weak legs, poor posture, erectile issues, and low testosterone. And the best part is that you don't need a gym, you don't need expensive supplements, and you don't need hours of training. You only need consistency and the right technique. The first thing you must understand is that testosterone is not just a sex hormone. It is the master hormone that controls muscle growth, fat burning, bone strength, mood, memory, and motivation. And after age 30, it declines naturally. But lifestyle choices can accelerate or slow this decline. And resistance training is one of the most powerful natural boosters of testosterone in older men. The first exercise that every man over 50 must master is the bodyweight squat, because squats activate the largest muscles in your body, including the thighs, glutes, and core. And when large muscles are stimulated, your body releases more anabolic hormones like testosterone and growth hormone, which helps rebuild muscle and burn fat even while resting. And squats also improve knee health, hip mobility, and balance, reducing the risk of falls and injuries that are common in older age. To perform a squat, stand with feet shoulder width apart. Push your hips back like you are sitting on a chair. Keep your chest up and lower your body until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Then push through your heels to stand up. And if you have knee pain, you can start with chair squats by lightly touching a chair and standing back up. And research shows that even simple squats done 2 to 3 times per week can significantly improve lower body strength and metabolic health in older adults. The second powerful exercise is the push-up, which targets your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. And push-ups are known to improve upper body strength, posture, and functional ability, meaning you can push, lift, and carry objects more easily in daily life. And push-ups also stimulate testosterone production because they involve multiple muscle groups at once. And if standard push-ups are too hard, you can start with wall push-ups or knee push-ups and gradually progress. The third must-do exercise is the plank, which is one of the best exercises for core stability, and a strong core protects your spine, reduces back pain, improves posture, and enhances overall strength. And many men over 50 suffer from chronic lower back pain due to weak core muscles, and planks train your deep abdominal muscles without stressing your spine. And to do a plank, place your forearms on the ground. Keep your body straight from head to heels, and hold the position while breathing normally, starting with 10 to 20 seconds and gradually increasing to 60 seconds or more. The fourth essential exercise is the hip hinge movement, such as a glute bridge or deadlift pattern, because your hips are the powerhouse of your body, and strong hips improve walking, running, lifting, and sexual performance. And glute bridges strengthen your glutes and lower back, which are crucial for posture and injury prevention. And to perform a glute bridge, lie on your back with knees bent, push your hips upward, squeeze your glutes, hold for a second, and lower back down. The fifth exercise that fixes many problems is the overhead press or simple arm raise with light weights or bottles, which strengthens your shoulders and upper back, improving posture, and reducing the rounded shoulders and neck pain that many older men experience due to sitting too much. And overhead pressing also improves functional strength for daily activities like lifting objects to shelves. When you combine these 5 exercises, you create a full body workout that stimulates all major muscle groups, boosts metabolism, improves joint health, increases testosterone naturally, and enhances your quality of life, and studies show that older men who engage in regular resistance training can reverse muscle loss, improve insulin sensitivity, reduce body fat, and even improve cognitive function. And the key is not intensity but consistency, meaning even 15 to 20 minutes a day can make a huge difference if done regularly. If you are over 50 and have never exercised before, start slowly, focus on form, and listen to your body, and gradually increase repetitions and sets over time, and always warm up with light movements and stretching to prevent injuries. Remember, your age is not a limitation, it is just a number. And your body's designed to adapt and improve when you challenge it. And by doing these 5 exercises, you are sending a powerful signal to your body to grow stronger, healthier, and more youthful. If you found this information useful, hit the like button, share this video with a friend who needs it, and subscribe to this channel for more evidence-based health and fitness content. And comment below your age and which exercise you will start today, so we can motivate each other. If you think your best years are behind you just because you crossed 50, then this message might shock you, because scientific studies now prove that men in their 50 seconds, 60 seconds, and even 70s can rebuild muscle, regain strength, and naturally increase testosterone. So stay with me till the end and don't forget to subscribe for more powerful health content that can change your life. One of the biggest mistakes men over 50 make is believing that cardio alone is enough. But while walking and jogging are great for heart health, they do not fully stimulate testosterone production or prevent muscle loss, which is called sarcopenia. And research shows that men can lose up to 1% of muscle mass per year after 40 if they do not perform resistance exercises. And this muscle loss leads to weakness, slower metabolism, fat gain, low energy, and reduced confidence. That is why combining the 5 exercises I mentioned with proper frequency and progression is critical for real transformation. And you should aim to perform these exercises at least 3 times per week, with 2 to 3 sets of each movement and 8 to 15 repetitions per set, depending on your ability. Many older men worry about injuries, but controlled resistance training actually strengthens joints, tendons, and ligaments, reducing pain and improving mobility. And studies from reputable journals like the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research show that older adults who perform strength training experience significant improvements in functional ability, balance, and quality of life. Another powerful factor that boosts testosterone is compound movements, which involve multiple joints and muscles, and squats, push-ups, and hip hinges are classic compound exercises that send a strong anabolic signal to your body, increasing the release of testosterone and growth hormone naturally. In addition to exercise, your lifestyle habits play a huge role in hormone health, and poor sleep, chronic stress, and poor diet can destroy testosterone levels faster than aging itself. And research shows that men who sleep less than 5 hours per night can have significantly lower testosterone levels compared to those who sleep 7 to 9 hours. So prioritizing sleep is one of the easiest and most powerful hormone boosters. Stress increases cortisol, which directly suppresses testosterone. So practices like deep breathing, walking in nature, meditation, and spending time with loved ones can indirectly boost your hormone levels. Nutrition is another key factor, and your body needs healthy fats, proteins, and micronutrients like zinc, vitamin D, and magnesium to produce testosterone, and foods like eggs, fatty fish, nuts, seeds, olive oil, lean meats, and leafy greens support hormone production, while excessive sugar and ultra-processed foods can lower testosterone and increase inflammation. Hydration is also important because dehydration can reduce physical performance and increase fatigue, making it harder to stay consistent with exercise. Another underrated benefit of these exercises is their effect on mental health, because resistance training releases endorphins, improves mood, reduces anxiety, and enhances cognitive function. And research shows that older adults who engage in regular physical activity have a lower risk of depression and cognitive decline. As you build strength and see progress, your confidence naturally increases, and confidence itself has been linked to higher testosterone levels, creating a powerful positive cycle. Many men think they are too old to start, but studies show that even men in their 80 seconds can gain muscle and strength through resistance training. So there is no excuse to delay, and the best time to start is today. You do not need heavy weights, and bodyweight exercises are enough to stimulate muscle growth, especially when performed with proper technique and progressive overload, which means gradually increasing repetitions, sets, or resistance over time. For example, you can start with 5 squats and build up to 20, or hold a plank for 10 seconds and progress to 60 seconds. And this gradual progression signals your body to adapt and grow stronger. Consistency is more important than intensity, and doing a moderate workout 3 times per week for years will produce far better results than doing extreme workouts for a few weeks and quitting. Many men over 50 also suffer from posture problems due to years of sitting, which can cause neck pain, back pain, and reduced lung capacity. And exercises like push-ups, planks, and overhead presses strengthen the muscles that keep your body upright, improving posture and breathing, which in turn improves energy and mental clarity. Another important benefit is metabolic health, because resistance training increases insulin sensitivity, helping control blood sugar and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes, which is common in older men. When you build muscle, your body burns more calories even at rest, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight without extreme dieting. This is why strength training is often called the fountain of youth, because it affects nearly every system in your body, from hormones to brain function to metabolism. If you are serious about transforming your health, you should treat these exercises as a daily habit like brushing your teeth. And even if you feel tired, doing a short workout can boost your energy rather than drain it. Remember, your body responds to what you repeatedly do, so if you repeatedly challenge it with these 5 exercises, it will reward you with strength, vitality, and youthful energy. If this video is helping you, make sure to like it, share it with another man over 50 who needs this motivation, and subscribe to this channel for more science-backed health tips. And comment below which exercise you struggle with the most, so I can guide you in the next video.